Here we have the SL6000. One of the coolest things we have is the front cabling, which allows for easy serviceability as well as most power efficient server on the planet. This is the SL 2x170Z. It has the highest spec power number today, so it is actually the most efficient two-piece server available today.
HP's unified cluster portfolio allows us to do a modular build of both hardware and software so that we can offer the most flexibility in the high-performance computing space. It gives you a balanced solution of both storage, compute, and manageability, allowing you to support many operating systems and many platforms.
We're looking at a model of our 40-foot version of the HP pod. This is actually a 4-foot version, but it does get across the concept that we've got some really amazing technology here. It all starts with this 50U rack, which can hold any 19-inch equipment, so you can put in anything that you have within your data center today or any new equipment that you buy that goes into a 19-inch rack. Additionally, this 50U rack gives us full containment of our hot and cold aisle, which gives us incredible energy efficiency. You can typically save 30 to 40% on your electricity bill by moving to an HP pod. Additionally, because we build this in the factory, we use the perfect process, the perfect tools. Typically, you're going to see a CapEx savings of 15 to 25% by using the HP pod. Not only that, from a technical perspective, we can go up to 600 kilowatts, 27 kilowatts per rack. So this blows a conventional data center out of the water in terms of the density of equipment that it can support.
What we're showing here is we have a couple different manufacturers, GPU accelerators. In particular, this is the NVIDIA accelerator. The Tesla S1070 has 4 GPUs in a 1U box. In this case, it's attached to a DL160SE. It provides 4 teraflops of processing power in a 1U box attached to that. We also have the ATI accelerators that we're showing here, also attached to a DL160 through the PCIe box. This is sort of the wave of the future in high-performance computing, where there are incredible amounts of processing power that can be added to your normal CPU rack for high-speed processing.
Converged infrastructure for HPC is really allowing you to bring together the resources that you've been dedicated to HPC and manage them holistically and get higher utilization and the best performance you can out of them.
So what we are demoing here is the latest double density blades called BL2x220G6. It has 2 processors per server, has 2 servers back to back, and this gives you a very, very high density computing. And we have up to 32 servers in this 10U enclosure. And this is the most power efficient blades in the industry, the #1 power spec benchmark.